Let me show you the power of all surface restoration and our cleaning product. I have a pretty great piece of wood here. We're going to do a little cleaning demonstration. Got to pump it up a little bit. So we spray the cleaner on like this, we let it sit for a few minutes. Normally we would be taking a pressure washer to rinse this off, but I don't have a pressure washer today, so for the sake of this demonstration I'm going to use a hand brush. Now we'll just put on a little bit more. We'll let that sit for a few minutes. You can see already that it's starting to turn a nice honey tone compared to the gray over here. It's starting to return to the natural color of the wood. Now we'll rinse it off. I think that's pretty amazing. It's actually the natural color of the wood in just a few seconds. So imagine if we had a pressure washer, you spray this on your whole deck, whatever wood surface you have. We rinse it off with a pressure washer. It actually gets a cleaner than a pressure washer can by itself. It'll be the cleanest wood. It'll look like new when we get done. So now what you want to do